It's taken a little while, but my new layout is configured as I finally wanted it. This clip shows a rake of stone wagons heading out of Dowlow Yard in Buxton and on to Lostock Works via Knutsford, of course. Sadly, Billy the Brake forgot the lading sheets, which is why they have had to come back still fully loaded. The train enters the yard and the engine disconnects and heads onto the turntable, where it's turned and rushes back through the runaround. The turntable is a Pico model and the motor for it is on back order, so this clip has been edited to remove the hand of God that comes in and turns the loco around. Finally, the loco reverse shunts onto the rake of stone wagons, connects up, and off he goes. Back out to Lostock Works. We're very late. So there it is, the end of another busy day and another tall story from Knutsford. Night night, everybody. Night night.